Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Hot Wheels 2023 Nissan Z from the car culture Slide Street 2 series. This isn't just any diecast car, it's the new Nissan Z with a sleek design and packed with impressive details. Before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. Let's start with the design. Hot Wheels team has truly captured the essence of the Nissan Z with its iconic front grille and sleek aerodynamic lines. Every detail from the realistic headlights to the taillight makes this model look incredibly lifelike. The Forsberg Racing livery ramps up the excitement with bold graphics and the sponsored decals, turning your shelf into a slice of racing history. And as a part of the car culture Slide Street 2 series, this diecast car boasts the high quality that collectors crave for. Hot Wheels 2023 Nissan Z isn't just a collector's diecast car, it's a tribute to a car that's making a waves in the automotive world. It's got that modern sports car look with a design that's both sleek and aggressive. And let's not forget about the play value. Whether you are setting up a high-speed racetrack or just displaying it on your shelf, this diecast car is sure to impress. So far, I'm really impressed with the car's detailing. So what do you think? Are you adding the Hot Wheels 2023 Nissan Z to your collection? Drop a comment below. And let us know your favorite Hot Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.